Hello there, welcome to Genessis Molds. My name is Bob Waldron and welcome to another show. This is the show for July. Now hopefully we've got a lot of good stuff coming up for July. Just to kickstart this show off, I'm going to jump straight into last month's competition. June's competition was for Airfix's a really nice new kit here, which was for the Hawker Sea Fury FB11. It was in 1/48 scale, and as usual, doing the usual random number generation program, counting down the thread, I came to Chimpy. So congratulations to you, Chimpy, you are the winner. All you got to do, give me an email with your shipping address and I'll get this shipped out to you free of charge. Don't worry if you haven't won, because we do have another competition for this month coming up later. It's quite a nice big one as well. So what we're going to do now is jump straight into kit release news.
Hello there and welcome to Kit Release News July 2019. First up we have a Yak 28p Firebar. That's by Hobby Boss in 1/48 scale. That is a nice £47.99. We have another one by Hobby Boss here, which is the Grumman F14A Tomcat. It is the Iranian AF version, 1/48 scale as well, at £46.99. We've got a General Dynamics F16XL2 Experimental Fighter. That's by it's Kinetic Model Kits, 1/48 scale at £49.99. We have another Royal Class edition of the Hawker Tempest Mark V. That's by Eddard, 1/48 scale at a big whopping £84.20, but there is a lot of stuff in that kit. We have a Soviet Su 12254 tank destroyer by Hobby Boss, 1/35 scale at £47.99. We've got the IDF Makarov Mark IV with trophy, apparently, by Hobby Boss, 1/35 scale, and that is £43.99. Another 1/35 scale by Hobby Boss is the Canadian Leopard C2 Mexus. That is coming in at £49.99. Again, we got another 1/35 scale. This one's by Ming Models, which is the German Leopard 2A7 Plus main battle tank, and that is coming in at £57.99. We've got the HMS York, which is a World War II British York class heavy cruiser by Trumpeter, one in 350 scale, and that is £74.99. and that is your lot for Kit Release News July 2019.
So there's your kit release news for this month. Last month, right at the end, we had the 1/72 scale group build come to an end. We've got our trophies all nicely here. Also we've got the Top Gun, as you can see. We've got these trophies ready to go out. Now I will be next Friday doing a nice little vlog where it's just solely going to be about this 1/72 scale group build. I'm going to announce who the winners are for these trophies, and then we're going to ship them out to you guys free of charge, whoever wins, as well as showing off everyone else's work for that 1/72 scale group build. And with the end of one comes the start of another, which you guys on the forum I've seen. We've had loads of new starts and everything, looking really cool. The new group build is basically a no holes barred group build. It's build anything you want. There's no specific subject, so it's going to be hopefully a group build that all of you guys can actually get in on and build, because I know a lot of you will be building stuff on the forum, but it won't be of like the group build subject, but everyone can like throw everything in there. You may as well just throw it in the group build section rather than say the normal build sections are on Genessis Molds. Hopefully we're going to get a nice big turnout for this one. I have also a few people have said, could you bring back some actual prizes as well, which, you know what, I think I am going to start. I'm going to have a look at what kits we've got, and probably starting off with the Top Gun winner. throw a kit in with that one, but basically just stay tuned, because as the months go by, I'll probably be throwing in kits here and there and all this kind of stuff for this. Maybe even try and get some sponsors, maybe from the manufacturers, to get them to join in as well. So hopefully you're going to look forward to that. If you do want to be in it, it has already started the 1st of July. It ends, I do believe it's the 30th or the 31st of December. So you got, you know, a good 6 months to basically go off and build it. And I say you can build anything you want, any scale, any sort of subject, armor, aircraft, World War II, Cold War, ships, little miniatures, you know, absolutely anything. You throw it in there, and I will judge it for you. And the videos that we've got going on this month, well, if you've been watching our live sessions Friday at 6 o'clock, you will see that we have been moving along quite nicely with our A4M. We've done the underside, giving it that sort of nice white sort of spraying. We did sort of cover that subject where you go about spraying a little bit different with white. You might want to go check it out. I know it's live, but it's still up there for people to watch after it's live anyway. The next bit is we're going to be tackling the top side for our A4 just here. Been moving along with the Tempest. Got some videos going up for that. Star Trek, I haven't managed to get my hands around our Star Trek one and do another episode of that yet, but I do want to be working on that one next. FA18, what else have we got? I think that was it. FA18, the Star Trek, the Tempest, and our A4. That's been going on, so go check out those videos. Next up as well is our new competition for this month, July. Now, this is quite a big kit, nice one indeed, so hopefully you're all going to be getting in on this absolute beauty. It is the Russian MiG-31B BM Foxhound, nicely by Hobby Boss, 148 scale. Looks like an absolutely stunning kit inside here. I will be getting a nice inbox review of this before it is given away, so you know, get in there, get in on the competition. Look forward to the inbox review that's going to be coming for this. As always, to be in it to win it, all you got to do, go to Genessis Models website. We've got a forum. On the forum you've got a competition section, so you've got the July 2019 competition section, and as always, comment anything, count me in, something to that effect, feedback if you want to do that, and that gets you entered. You can also post below on the YouTube, on this YouTube video as well, and that also gets you entered. And just like I did with our what was it again, the Sea Fury, I will announce the winner next month and get that shipped out to the winner free of charge. Said we have come to the end of the show, but I am going to leave you with all that fantastic work you guys do on the Genessis Models forum, so let's go check that out, and I'll see you next time.